Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off or change the reminder haptics vibration pattern on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open up the settings app. Next, we scroll down and then tap on sounds and haptics. Now from here, go down and then tap on reminder alerts. Then go to the top and tap on haptics. From here, if you want to turn off vibration, you can simply select none. This will turn off haptic vibration for reminder. If you want to turn on vibration, you can choose the default synchronized pattern, or you can select a different pattern from the standard list. So here we've got rapid, SOS, quick heartbeat, staccato, symphony, or you can select your own custom haptic feedback. And after that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.